Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So it has been a while since I have done an update on Santa Shop and clearance deals that I have found. Santa Shop is fast approaching here. This is a store at my kids' elementary school where we allow kids to come in and shop for Christmas for their families and that kind of thing. And I shop literally all year long, clearance and all kinds of great deals and sales. And currently this is what I have to tag today and get it ready for Santa Shop. Now, I got some pretty awesome deals I want to show you, so let's do it. So I apologize, I don't have the best lighting in this particular room that I'm storing it in. So this is a family room kind of area. It's an extra one. It's not the one we do most of our living in. But this is currently everything that is in my house that is tagged and ready to go to Santa Shop. I just have to get it over to the school if they'll ever let me bring everything in. Tons of stuff. We've got Walmart clearance stuff. We've got Dollar General deals and clearance deals. We've got stuff from the Dollar Tree. All these boxes are dog toys here. Don't pay attention to the mess of my children. Dog toys that I've gotten from the Dollar Tree. There's some other things inside here that I'm sitting on top, but like there's a dog toy there from the Dollar Tree. I've ordered a bunch of boxes from the Dollar Tree. Some men's gifts, some dogs gifts, things like that, cats and stuff. We also have this is Walmart clearance. I think I got these for like 49 cents on a clearance deal. You'll notice the little dots here. That is tagged for the prices for the store. Now, this is a bit of a fundraiser for the store, but nothing is over $3. So I have to make sure when I purchase items, everything is under $3. I can't spend any more. I can break even. I just can't go over. And so like these particular items here, these Care Bear little besties, I got these at Walmart a while ago for 50 cents each. The orange little tag means they're $1. And I guarantee you would have paid $2, $3 for this. You can check and see if your store has any. My store had a ton. They had a couple in the clearance section, and then they had boxes of them in the actual toy section. As you can see, I picked up 3 boxes full and had a few extra too. These are also from the clearance section. These were $2 poppets that were at Walmart. We have things like in here, I have little not Elsa. Oh goodness, what's her name? Mirabelle. Mirabelle toys and some, there's like Bruno in there. There's a couple of different ones. I picked these up for $1. We're selling them for $2. So the kids are getting a pretty good deal there. Now there is this like Giving Tree store that I went and got all these little squishy things from. They were only just a few cents each. Lots of things there. I mean, we're going to not even be able to get into some of the boxes. I've got all kinds of stuff in these boxes we're not going to get to. That was a Hobby Lobby 90% off clearance from summer. These things were just, I believe they were 50 cents each. They go in the bottom of your bathtub to keep you from slipping. Yeah, lots of fun stuff here. More little fidget poppet things that I've gotten on clearance. I got to be honest with you, I don't even know what's in that box right now because it's been in there for a while. Some of these things are from Dollar General that I've gotten for $1. I've used either my 10 off 40 or 5 off of 25 coupons on the weekends. And oh my goodness, these are so cute. World's best farter. Oops, I mean father. So those will be cute. I need to tag those. Some of these here are from, I need to move them over to the bench there. I need to tag them. So these are from Hobby Lobby. They were on clearance for just a few pennies. I want to say like 50 cents each, but just cute little things, good for teenagers, things like that. We've got some dog toys and stuff like that in there. Sorry. Trying to find all this stuff. Again, found these on the clearance section in the Dollar General with the extra 50% off. I got them. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I don't know where the box is of all the toys, but Walgreens had a toy sale. And it was so cheap. This was like 83 cents. And then I got some really nice baby toys for super cheap. All of these little car things are just, and they're all, I'm selling them for $1. I got them for like 25 cents. I got a couple more to add to it from the last time I went to Walmart. These, again, from like the craft section, they light up, but they can be painted. Such a cute little thing. Got them for $1. I think we're doing 2 on them. Yeah, $2 on them. But I thought they were kind of cute. Again, all of these are clearance deals and all that good stuff. Now, these are not clearance deals, but these sell like crazy. So every time I go, I stock up on these little squish balls. Also, oh my goodness. Now, these particular blankets, you've seen them before. I always sell them for $3. They are on clearance. These were on clearance for $1.50 when I bought them, but I've gotten some for as low as 33, 38 cents, something like that, that we're selling. So these were from Walmart, the mainstays products. And I have a ton more blankets, but they've already been moved out of this house. So anyway, it's taken up pretty much a whole wall. I cannot wait to get it out of here, as my husband also agrees with that. It's a little foggy there. There we go. As you can see, we have a lot of stuff that's sitting here. Now, one other thing I'm going to show you, since we're talking about Santa Shop, is I got all of these. What we do is we give 10 to each kid with a little envelope, and they make their list by writing to Mom, from George, whoever it's from, and then they bring them in. They pick out their gifts, and then we bag them and put this on the bag. So it's really kind of a neat, we get the whole wrapping experience too. So if you're wondering why maybe I only paid, $1.25 for this, but the pink dot means it's $3, is because we're also adding in the cost of wrapping. We have to buy all the bags. We have to buy a bunch of other things. So there's a lot more that goes into it, but still, the fact that we charge no more than $3 for any particular item is pretty awesome. Now let me show you the things I need to tag. So I want to start out with the first deal on the floor here. I actually got these at Hobby Lobby. They were back in the clearance section, and you can notice they're 99 cents. Now, I had bought some other ones. If I had known I was going to get these, I would have definitely loved the $2 ones at Walmart, because these are just as big. And now they are kind of girly. We've got purplish ones, the hearts, and then the ice creams. So the other ones have some more boyish ones, but I'm just going to pull the tags off of them, and we'll sell them for $3. On this side, as you can see, all of this I actually purchased this weekend. So I've got some like Goofy Fun Toys teeth. We've got some Mad Lab slime, some other bubbles there, putty, unicorn putty. We have some of these Mad Lab little like squishy balls, the hands in the back. All of these came from Dollar General this past weekend. They had a sale. When you spend $75 on toys, you were going to get 25% off. Plus, I had a 5 off 25. And so I put all of this together in one scenario, and I got about 100 items total for about $63 when I put it all together. So really good deal. The foam balls back there they're $2, but they were buy one, get one 75% off. So it was $2.50 for every two of them. So it ended up being like $1.25 each. And they went towards that too. You've got the whoopee cushions there. But everything else was just one of the dollar toy items that I loaded up on till I got to 75. And I actually got more than 75. But I wanted to make sure my 5 off 25 would work, and everything, it wouldn't affect it with the $75. So I just got more. So anyway, that was a pretty decent deal there. The army guys in the back are also included in that. Real quick, so these dragon eggs here, I actually found just 2 of them at Kroger on clearance for $1.83. I'll charge $3 each, partly because they're worth more than that, and we only have 2 of them, so 2 lucky people. The little color thing I got for I think it was like 63 cents or something at Kroger in their clearance. There's a lion and a deer there. Those are those 25 cents, like the car I showed you earlier. So being at Walmart, currently we have a lot of clearance on, Halloween items. I thought these little cat ears, you can see what it looks like, cat ears and tail and little bow tie, were very cute. I forget what it was. It was like 75% off. It's like $1.25-ish. And then we also have the dinosaur looking one, but they only had 2 of those. So because they were so cheap, I decided to grab them. Even though they're Halloween, I think they'll be fine in a Santa shop. They're really cute. Found more toys from the Dollar General. trying to make sure I have plenty of boy toys as well. It's very easy to buy girl stuff. It's very difficult to find toys for boys that aren't like super expensive. All right, scooting on over here. I thought this was oh my gosh, this is so awesome. They had all of these, I don't even know how many, 11, 12, something like that, of these Disney baby bibs. It's a 3-pack, multi-pack, yeah, 3-pack. So you have Mickey there, and then we have Pluto, and then we have Donald. These were regularly priced $6.64. However, they are on sale for $1.50. They were hanging in the clearance section without a tag. So I scanned them with my Walmart app, found out they were $1.50, and grabbed every single one of these. Easily going to sell this for $3. What a great gift for our babies. And then believe it or not, all this stuff will sell like hotcakes. We're going to have lots of little girls that are going to want to grab these eyelashes. So the LA Colors items, like the eyelashes, we have this body glitter. We also, well, I don't know if that's LA. That's not LA. But those are just 79 cents each. Some of these other eyelashes I grabbed, they varied in price, no more than $1.50 in price. We have these little glitter kits here, makeup kits. They will fly off the shelf. I have a whole thing of them, if you can tell there. And yeah, we'll have a hard time keeping those on on the tables there. So they'll go real quick and super cute, super easy. There's a couple of little jeweled things in the back. Also 2 nail polishes I found for 79 cents. But the jeweled things were just a few cents as well. I can't remember exactly. 75% off. They're for the forehead, and again, came from the Halloween section there. So again, I'm going to spend some time getting these all tagged and packed up, ready to go for the Santa shop that will be I think it starts on the 11th of December. And if you want to see more videos about my Santa shop and how I put it all together and what it looks like, let me know in the comments below. Have a wonderful week, and I'll be back with you later. Bye, guys.